Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change text wallpaper without activating Windows or changing wallpaper without activating Windows. You have to right click on a blank space, then hit personalize. You are seeing that you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. If you want to try to change the wallpaper without activating, you can't able to change it because it is untouchable or unclickable. We're seeing the damages here. Then if you want to change background, there's the same problem. For fixing this problem, you have to search a image file from your desktop computer, or you can download it from Chrome. Right click on this image, then click set, then set as background. Then if you want to change set as lock screen, you have to set as lock screen to set this image at the lock screen. Now I'm going to check it. Now you're seeing that it's properly working. I'm going to show you another image. Right click on the image. Similarly, you have to click set as background and set as lock screen. Now I'm going to check it. Now you're seeing that it is also working properly. That means you can add your any image file from your desktop. Showing you another step. Right click on that image, then set as background. So that's all. Thanks for watching.